Welcome back. In the previous module, we looked at PRINCE2 progress theme. In this module, we are going to look at PRINCE2 processes. A process is a structured set of activities designed to accomplish a specific objective. It takes one or more defined inputs and turns them into defined outputs. Each activity comprises a set of recommended actions designed to achieve a particular result. Also, each activity may involve a number of roles. A role may be responsible for performing the activity or an aspect of the activity. There are 7 processes defined in PRINCE2. They are starting up a project, directing a project, initiating a project, controlling a stage, managing product delivery, managing a stage boundary, and closing a project. PRINCE2 process model. The 7 processes are aligned to the management levels of directing, managing, and delivering. They are aligned to the various stages of the project life cycle also. Pre-project stage. During pre-project stage, project mandate is issued by commissioning organization. There may be a trigger internally or externally. Essential to verify that project is worthwhile and viable. Project board decides whether to initiate the project or not. During this stage, starting up the project process is triggered. Initiation stage. During initiation stage, plan at appropriate level of detail, planning covered by initiating a project process. Next management stage is planned in detail through managing a stage boundary process and produce the project initiation documentation or PID. During the subsequent stages of the project life cycle, project board delegates day-to-day control of the project manager. Project managers keeps project board informed about the progress through highlight reports. Team manager and team members execute the work packages through managing product delivery process. At the end of each stage, project's viability is assessed through managing a stage boundary process. Final stage. During the final stage, closing a project process will be initiated. Project board ensures product's fitness and transition to operational use. Project documentation is collected and archived. Post-project benefits reviews are planned. Post-project. During post-project benefits reviews are performed to confirm that the planned benefits have been achieved, identify benefits not achieved and to agree follow-up action, identify any unexpected benefits achieved or disbenefits resulted, provide lessons for future projects. In summary, the 7 processes are aligned to the management levels of corporate program management or customer, directing, managing, and delivering as depicted in the picture. PRINCE2 tailoring. Tailoring allows PRINCE2 process model to be adopted, revising the processes, activities, their sequencing, and how the roles and responsibilities are allocated, provided that the PRINCE2 principles are upheld, the purpose and objectives of the process are not compromised. A tailored PRINCE2 process should reflect any tailoring of the roles, products, themes as implemented through management approaches, procedures and controls, and terminology. As terminology can be tailored, so can the names of the processes. While tailoring, following points has to be considered. Amending the PRINCE2 process model to reflect the organization's project management method or alternative ways of working. Adopting methods or ways of working required by the commissioning organization. Combining some activities which will fulfill related purposes to simplify the process. Splitting some activities into smaller parts for clarity or to pre-assign different roles to the activities. Changing a role which is responsible for the activity. Combining, splitting, or amending management products. Increasing the granularity of the process model to include more detailed activities where required. Just to summarize, as part of this module, we understood PRINCE2 process, the number of processes, and process model. In the next module, we are going to look at starting up a project process. Hope to see you there.